Hello and welcome to the SAP Business One Campaign Management System demonstration. As a business owner, you always think of new ways to generate leads, which becomes your long-time loyal customers while boosting your sales revenues. Also, you may want to promote existing or new products from your portfolio to existing customers, offering special discount, or just make them aware of your new offering. With SAP Business One customer relationship management and campaign management features, you can take advantage of data that you already maintain in the system, including products, leads, and customers to create marketing campaigns to your existing customer base as well as to potential ones. Following up on the campaign, you can track on the effectiveness of this marketing channel by identifying the response rate, further communication with the client, and any new sales that resulted in this campaign. Since SAP Business One is a completely integrated system, there is no redundancy in entering data. A potential lead can become a customer, where activities can be recorded against it, and down the road all sales documents can be posted to it. You are the sales manager at OEC Computers and would like to contact your existing customers as well as some potential leads to interest them in a new product line you're now offering. You would like to send them emails with all the relevant details, hoping it would result in new sales for the company. Using SAP Business One, you can take advantage of the latest innovations in business intelligence by utilizing the cockpit, which is a control center that contains all the information about the company at your fingertips. You can find different dashboards, workflow, company objectives, latest updates, and more. As the end user, you can easily customize the cockpit to fit your needs. First, you would like to review sales information. You take a look at the sales dashboard that analyzes sales amounts by year, sales opportunity status, and comparison to last year. Here, you can analyze your top 5 customers and their most selling items. You can also view the same dashboard by sales employees. You are now ready to create a new marketing campaign. Using the menu search, you can quickly find menu items by name. We open the Campaign Generation wizard, which is an easy step-by-step tool that allows you to create and execute new campaigns. We click Next to create a new campaign. We provide it with a name, new printers, promotion, and we go Next. Here you can choose how to execute the campaign via email, mail, phone call, etc. In this case, you would like to distribute an email to your customers using a predefined template. The target group is your distribution list that you define ahead of time. We choose all customers in this case. We enter an end date for the campaign. Next, we choose the items that participate in the campaign. Click on Selection Criteria and choose the JB printers. Click OK and OK. In the remarks, you can add some additional notes that will be included in the final email, and select an HTML template that you created that will be applied to the email being sent out. In the next step, you can see all the customers that are included in the target group. You can make any changes you wish, add or delete rows, modify the contact information, or even import a list of contacts from Excel, which are not customers defined in SAP Business One customer base. We select the file to import, map the columns into contact information fields within Business One, and import the file. The list of customers that is imported remains as an external list at this point. Later in the process, we will see how you can automatically turn a potential customer into a lead master data in SAP Business One. Finally, you execute the campaign using one of the options available. In this scenario, a new email message opens up with all the contacts in the blind copy field. The email is using the HTML template that you have selected before. You can make any changes to it and send the email. You have received a response from a few customers, so the next step is to open the campaign we just created. Here you can see all the information about the campaign, including the distribution list, the items, the partners, and any attachment you may have. In SAP Business One, you can always drill down to the underlying data. By clicking the yellow arrow, you can open the customer master data to learn more. Here you can see the open balance of the customer, any contact information, addresses, payment terms, remarks, accounting data, and more. You can also click on the Analytics tab to view some analytical data regarding this particular customer, like his top 5 most selling items, his balances, and some sales amounts. On the bottom, you're able to view some additional transactions and create a new activity. The activity is a way to record any communication with your customers and vendors in SAP Business One. You can link an activity to any kind of marketing document and master data. You can also set recurrences in case it is an event that takes place on a regular basis or needs to be repeated. In this case, the customer asks you to call him back in a few days regarding this promotion since he is traveling. We change the date to a future date and ask to be reminded when the event is taking place. When the time comes, you receive an alert from the system, or you can simply open the calendar to view all planned activities under your name. Another customer asked to receive a sales quotation for the items offered in the campaign. So you go ahead and select the sales quotation document type and create a new document. The customer name, contacts, and other defaults are automatically inserted in the quotation. All you need is to select the items, quantities, and prices, and save the quotation. As you can see, the quotation is linked to the campaign document, so you can always keep track on the effectiveness of your marketing campaign. We would also check the response to indicate that you did get a response from this customer to this marketing campaign. You also received an email from a new prospect, a potential lead, that is not yet a customer of yours. He is interested in working with your company, but not yet ready to place an order. In this case, you create a sales opportunity. A sales opportunity is intended to record potential incoming deals. So we choose the opportunity and choose to create a new one. However, since this lead is not yet a customer in the SAP Business One database, The system automatically adds it as a lead master data, including all the information that was originally imported from the Excel worksheet we used. You're back at the opportunity document where you can identify the predicted closing in days, the potential amount of the deal, and gross profit. In addition, you can assign it to one of your sales employees so he can fill out the rest. We save the sales opportunity and we're back in the campaign management. Finally, you want to run a report to show a list of your campaigns with some analytical information. Use the campaign list report to get all your current campaigns with details about the number of contacts, response number and response rate, number of leads that were generated, and number of sales opportunities created as a result of the campaign that you have won. Using SAP Business One for your lead generation, customer relationship management, and follow-up sales activity is easy and intuitive. You have seen how you can start by generating a marketing campaign, following by recording communication with your customer, creating a sales quotation, as well as a sales opportunity for a brand new lead, and analyzing all this data so you can be proactive and effective in managing your sales force in the company. Thank you for your time.